had a nice Tuesday out there, and you have a beautiful time lapse from the gorge.
Yeah, you know, it's been so pretty there lately. The clouds and the fog just moving in and out. So when you put it all together, this is from today. It started at this morning, and then watch the fog and the clouds just kind of hanging there across the high terrain, and then it clears on out really quickly. But tomorrow, that time lapse is going to be showing showers moving in and maybe catching a few streaks of lightning, because we're going to see some really active weather moving in as we go into tomorrow afternoon. And there's that potential for thunderstorms even into the valley and perhaps getting back into the gorge as well. 49 degrees right now. All is quiet right now. And like I said earlier, your morning commute should be okay as far as the weather is concerned. Temperatures will be fairly mild, a little chilly, but in the low 50s, which is above average for us. Will be cloudy. Not much rain around at all. Maybe a few sprinkles at most. Later in the morning by 10 a.m. we'll start to see some showers popping up, but still these will not be intense. It's going to be when the cold front swings through tomorrow afternoon. And so that's going to start between 2 and I'd say about 6 p.m. We're going to have that front passing through, and that's when these thunderstorms will start to pop up, or downpours, and that potential for some thunder. And we'll have to watch for hail and gusty winds. And then it all starts to wind down pretty quickly, and then we're just left with leftover showers tomorrow evening. But we will be watching those very closely as they do pop up, because they could be on the intense side. So we have this front that's hanging off the coast right now. That's going to swing through tomorrow afternoon, and then you can see the center of this low pressure system still pretty far back to the west. That eventually is going to move in too, and so that's just going to keep this weather really active. And once the core of that system moves in Thursday, then we're going to have to watch for potentially strong winds from the coast and through the valley into the Cascades too. So that'll be on Thursday. So let's take this one day at a time, and I'll time it out for you, and we'll start with tomorrow morning. We're mainly cloudy out there. Late morning again, here's that chance for that stray shower. Most everybody's dry. Fast forward to 3 o'clock. This is 3 p.m. This is when that front's coming through. Showers are popping up, intense downpours popping up, and then we can find some gusty winds in those too. Not everybody will get hit by these, but they are going to be popping up pretty frequently. By 7 o'clock, most of it's winding down, and that cold air is filtering in. That's why we're going to be looking at that potential for hail. We're going to have colder air moving in aloft. It's going to drop the snow levels too, so we'll start off with rain in the mountain, then it changes over into snow. Fast forward to Thursday, things take a break tomorrow night, but by Thursday morning, we are ramping right back up again. And so we'll see cloud cover, showers developing from the coast. It'll be through the morning hours and into the early part of the afternoon. The winds will be picking up from the south, and it'll be a wet day, wet and very blustery for us. For the Cascades, snow levels drop again, and we'll try to pick up some decent snow throughout the day on Thursday. And then we go into Friday, and we have one more front that's going to pass through just to keep it wet around here. And so we'll see showers at times. We'll continue with cooler conditions for your Friday. Temperatures will drop off Thursday. They'll stay cooler Friday, and then we try to level things out a little bit for the weekend, and I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. So here's a breakdown for the coast for your Wednesday. Upper 50s, showers, breezy, south winds 20 to 30, gusting to 40 miles an hour. I-5, highs in the upper 50s, still mild temperature-wise. Downpours in the afternoon, maybe even a thunderstorm. Central and eastern Oregon, a mild day, and then we'll have showers developing in the evening. Temperatures will drop. We could even see a rain-snow mix for places like central Oregon. It'll also be pretty breezy tomorrow. Through the gorge, showers will develop, mostly cloudy there. Cascade showers in the afternoon. Winds will be blustery up near 35. Snow levels start at 6,500 feet, but by the time we get into the evening hours, dropping all the way to 3,500 feet. So that's enough to get some snow, perhaps even down to the passes there. 7-day forecast, upper 50s tomorrow, upper 40s Thursday, Friday, staying wet for the weekend. It does look drier Saturday, mainly dry. Sunday, just watching for showers to develop for the second half of the day, and then another warm up early next week. Ooh. Highs in the upper 50s, maybe flirting with 60 again.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Kristen.
Okay, still ahead.